Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do recurring task in Notion. So just click add new and empty page. So we'll write right here recurring task tutorial, and right here type slash and add a table. After that, right click it and turn it into database. Delete the column 1 and column 2. For the title, type task, and now click add property and type for date, and go right here on this little drop down menu, click new template, write like 100 push-ups, and right here we'll write 2 brackets like this, press space, and let's say I want to do 100 push-ups every day. So type that, you'll be able to check this, and that's pretty much it. Right now, if you go and add 100 push-ups like this, we'll get this one, and if we add a date, and we just simply can add a date right here, but for now we'll just add repeat for the day, weekday, week, 2 weeks, and etc. So let's say repeat for 2 weeks. You can select the days that you want to use to pop this up and just click save it. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a recurring task in Notion. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.